Greetings. Welcome to My New Mind, where changes come about in waves. We are an integrative wellness center, primarily focused on the use of neurofeedback training to help you achieve a state of balanced mind, focused concentration, attention, and even improved memory. We do this through a process where we do an EEG at the beginning, we measure your brain waves where you're at. You go through a training program with us using audio and visual feedback. And then we measure at the end of the process to see how you're doing. So many positive changes, non-medication approaches to things like anxiety, depression, insomnia, and even specific things like attention deficit disorder and autism. So come in, take a look around. We're doing a virtual tour here today. So if you'll look down below, you'll see many videos that will explain the process. Again, thank you for coming.